Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set a live wallpaper using third-party apps in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. For this, first of all, you have to download Lively Wallpaper Metro. After downloading it, you have to open it. Here you can see Add Wallpaper. Click on it. Now click on Browse. Here you can select your wallpaper. You can find a list of wallpaper. I'm selecting one. Now I'm going to select it. For selecting wallpaper, you have to click the right button of your mouse and click on Set as Wallpaper. So this is how you can set a live wallpaper using third-party app in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.